how to enable backup codes on Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the More option on the bottom right of your screen and scroll down and you will see the Settings option. Tap on that and further tap on the security option you see there. Now, in order to enable backup codes, you need to enable two-step verification first. So, select any of the following for two-step verification. I will select email. So, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for email and you will receive a 6-digit verification code in the email address that you have entered. So go ahead and enter the code sent to you and then tap on the verify button, and with this, as you can see, the email has been verified and two-step verification has been enabled. You will then see the backup codes option there. So tap on the generate button you see there and you will then receive a verification code in your email address again. So go ahead and enter the verification code again and tap on the verify button, and with this, you will be able to see your backup codes. So this is how you can enable backup codes on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.